Hi, how are you guys doing? I'm Jamal Dockery, and I'm a mass comm major in the concentration of digital media. And today I'm here to talk about my life goals as far as being in FYE. I'm trying to get my degrees, a bachelor's degree in mass comm, which that is my major. And also I want to take my degree and travel the world and become a content creator in my field. Also, I just want you guys to know that my life journey has been very complex, but even though I have some challenges, I do have triumphs. So I do want to encourage you guys to keep pushing, because not everything in life is going to be easy, but at the same time you can always master and get over things. And resilience is one thing, and consistency. When ambition and when talent is tested, consistency always lasts and it endures the longest. So always remember to be consistent in you guys study. As far as whenever you guys are studying or your downtime, never just take that time to just do nothing. Always be constructive. One thing I want to also encourage you guys to do is always be aware of your time with time management, because that is a skill that helps you manage your time with studies, assignments, and also tests, and when you're supposed to be going on you guys' vacation or breaks for the fall of 2026. But one thing that's important is, number one, is always keep God first, because nothing in life always is easy, but we learned that with God we can do anything we put our minds to. So that being said, I hope that you guys watch this video with knowing that I am a Christian person. And one more thing with time management, while we're speaking on this topic, with time management, this class has taught me to manage my time very concisely, because with time management, it is an important tool to have when it comes to your studies. So make sure that you guys study very close and precisely, and ask questions if you have any questions for your professors. I learned from the chapter 4 unit that it is not up to your professor to give you the tools you need to be successful. You have to ask questions. You have to dive deep into your studies. You have to actually familiarize yourself with your topics and your assignments as far as like your class is studying. So make sure you guys go get the help you need. We have help on campus, which brings me to my next topic. We have resources like the Writing Center. We have counseling here. So I learned that on my journey, this class has taught me that if you ever need resources or help, to always go and ask for help in the Writing Center or go to the Counseling Center in King Fresh. So for you upcoming freshmen, I want you guys to know that you're not alone. You don't have to do things alone, which covers chapter 6 in our book, but you also have to realize that nobody's going to help you if you do not ask. So ask and you shall receive. And also I want you guys to know that it's been an awesome time here at Savannah State University, but also with that being said, you have to manage your time. So make sure that even though you're having a good time, you make time for your studies. You don't want to cram all your work all into one day and not have any downtime, but also make sure that you get your work done, your work studies, and also make sure that whatever you guys are planning to do in the future, that you're majoring in the fields now and you're not just wasting your time here at Savannah State or in college in general. So etc. With that being said, that concludes my statement about time management. I want to talk to you guys also about counseling. I know mental health awareness is something that's very vital. So if you feel like you're alone or you feel like you don't have anybody to talk to, this class has taught me that there are counseling sessions to help you if you are going through something alone and you can't get the help you need, or you can't talk to your peers, or your parents are not in close range of being able to help you get through situations. So just know that your physical health, your mental health, and your stability and time here is very vital. So with those 3 things, you can be able to succeed and get your way to the end of the semester, and also that can lead to further building blocks to help you graduate from Savannah State University. So I just want you guys to know that over time will tell that if you were serious about your work. So make sure that you study, manage your time, make sure that you get the help you need, and also make sure that you are physically in shape to be able to endure this weather, because Savannah is a very hot place on the west coast of Georgia. So just know that things are going to be very challenging, but through all those challenging times, you will have time to decide if you really want to be in college or if you really want to do something else, maybe trade school or get a trade degree or whatever you want to do in life. So just know that college is not the only ultimatum if you don't graduate. But freshman year, it taught me a very crucial lesson that I need to be up on time. I need to be prepared. I need to get to class on time. I need to be very aware of my surroundings, because a lot of stuff is happening. You're a young adult and you have to be aware of these things.